Hello guys, today I'm actually gonna explain how this series comes together. This is not my real voice, I am using an AI voice instead, so you don't gotta hear cars in the background. So first off, I choose a presentation template on Canva because I really don't have the money to make these videos custom and make the backgrounds myself. I also sorta just suck at art. So first choose your background. I think this one looks cool because, well, it's better than leaving it blank and just adding lines to half-ass do the job. Then add text to the background because it's blank right now. By the way, do not just write the words example text. Okay, now these are optional, but I like adding stuff as a joke or just side text like notes or background characters speaking and stuff. Now you can make the image different to symbolize a change in emotion. And you can add sound effects too if you want to, I'm not forcing you to. You can also draw on pages if you need or want to. You can get AI to animate an image if you're that type of artist. And that's all I think, because I'm not promoting Canva.